It is now clear that drastic action must be taken to fight environmental pollution. The policies and awareness campaigns, as good intentions as they may have, do not solve the problem. The problem is solved when the world has an incentive to act in terms of environmental protection. As young people, with the desire to live on a clean and healthy planet, we decided to do a research on the fight against the greenhouse effect. We found that the most polluting factor is transportation with fossil fuel, followed by the production of electricity with minerals. These two factors are key to the survival and development of our society, with no option of stop using them. However, technological development, especially battery technology, now enables us to stop using fossil fuel and turn to energy storage for later use, making renewable energy sources the perfect alternative. Our logic is simple: with practical applications comes experience and real understanding of an object. Based on this rule, we decided to build a workshop for development of anti-pollution technologies that will enable everyone to develop or improve products that help to fight environmental pollution by providing them with the space and tools to achieve this goal. To begin our vision, we decided to make an educational documentary titled, "How to Convert Your Old Car into an Electric." With this project, we will show the process of converting old vehicles to electric, turning a Volkswagen Beetle into an electric powerhouse in front of the camera, highlighting the economic benefits of conversions, their superiority, and open the way to massive recycling of polluting vehicles. With this documentary, which will be free and accessible to all, we hope to succeed in creating our organization so that those who want to turn their old car into electric, they can come in our workshop and do it with our support. The most important thing is that we will give everyone the solution of the conversion, with its tremendous economic benefits, possibly starting the necessary chain reaction that our planet needs to move to a cleaner lifestyle. So, if you like our idea, like and share this video, so contributors may find and support us to make it real. Also consider subscribing, as we are planning to make educational and self-improvement videos, to help with unemployment and environmental issues. Thank you.